Good day, brothers and sisters. A disclaimer: I am not having copyright of the clips used here. All the copyright belongs to the respected creators. Only this video is not to hurt anyone and it's purely for fair use. It was reported in the news that a gunman had shot a mayor and her aide and the security guard of an Ivy League university here in our country. Then the university was locked down, and what's strange is that they're calling it a shooting and they're calling the man who was said a doctor a gunman instead of calling it an assassination and him as an assassin. What's stranger is that there are no raw videos in the internet regarding the said shooting. I mean, if it's a graduation, of course, people would be taking photos and videos of the ceremony. Okay, let's say that they warned the people out there, hence the lockdown, to not upload any video. Why call it a shooting when it's clearly premeditated? Here are his claims.
Sa Mindanao, lalo na sa Basilan. Matagal lang po akong hihingi ng tulong sa gobyerno para imbestigahan yung
Dok, 5, bababa mic mo.
sa Basilan. Kasi grabe po talaga ang kondisyon ng droga sa amin. Mga 13 years old, nag-a-addict. Ito pong mga mag-asawang puligay na to, sila ang mga drug lords sa Basilan. 3 beses ako pina-ambush ng pamilyang to. Pag pumunta kayo sa social media ko, makikita ninyo ilang beses ako humingi ng tulong kasi pinaka-ambush nila ako. Yung mga drug lord na to.
It was also mentioned in the news that he was stripped of his medical license because of a pending cyber libel case filed against him by the mayor. That prior to this, there are already existing cases filed against each other. Now, the Vice President and other officials are condemning the said incident, calling it as an act of violence. Hence, they want to examine or re-examine the gun ban here, as we are now in a gun ban because of the President SONA. This is pushing the gun ban or the acceleration of the 2030 agenda. The world is a stage. Shalom!